Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a glider in DeepWoken. Open your inventory, equip a glider shard, and bind your glide key now. Next, practice short jumps from low ledges to get comfortable with timing. Once you can hold glide reliably, test from higher points to manage stamina and steering. I'll walk you through common mistakes, control tips, and how to recover from stalls so you land safely. Start by jumping from a mid-height ledge and grip the glide key as your feet leave the ground to ensure instant deployment. Practice gentle turns rather than full swipes to conserve altitude while changing direction. Keep an eye on your stamina bar and avoid aggressive maneuvers when it is low, because a stall midair often causes severe fall damage. I'll share recovery moves and safe landing tricks as we go. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks and meals fresh during long play sessions. They save spills and time. They're great for organizing food before sessions, so you can focus on mastery without mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once you master basic gliding, look for wind gusts and updrafts on the map to regain altitude without burning stamina. Try alternating brief crouches with glides to drop quickly, and then stabilize for a precise approach to small platforms. Work on pinpoint landings and recovery angles so you can escape danger or reach tight loot spots. I'll demonstrate the timing and body control that make these advanced moves reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.